Hello my friends, welcome back to the Imagination in PlayStation channel. Thank you for joining us as we unbox our new Kokodi LCD Writing Tablet. Manufactured by Shenzhen Chenghe Technology Company. This product has a standard retail price of $19 US, and outside of eBay, so far as I'm aware, it can only be found at Amazon, priced at $19.99. The product comes with a single writing tablet and a writing pencil attached. This would make a great gift for parents who want to still allow for their kids to express themselves and practice their writing and drawings without risks to their walls, tabletops, counters, and or without having to waste copious amounts of paper. The target audience for this item is 3 years old and up, as there are choking hazards with them. And now, without further ado, let's open her up. Okay, so I found this technology to be actually pretty cool. One, it's very reflective in the light. You can see my ring light and my camera light all shining on the tablet, so it's very reflective. The way the technology works, you draw on it, write on it, bam, press the button, this button right here, bam, it goes away. What can I say? I like this. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I did, but I do. It is super cool. You can do so many things with this, and the fact that you can just bam, it goes away, that's pretty cool. And this is only 20 bucks. It's a severely undervalued product. It sounds like the company is just kind of getting started. But yeah, I was very pleased with this one, more pleased than I thought I was when I bought it. But yeah, if you are looking for some way, even just to have an interesting board in the classroom, you can be like, hey, we're doing math problems. You know, you can do like that, and then bam, you can lock it so it doesn't erase. I can press this button all day. It has a lock button at the end, right there, as you can see right here. And when it's locked, you cannot erase it. As soon as you hit the unlock button, press the button, bam, it's all gone again. If you're a parent like me, you have a young toddler age kid, a kid who's learning to write, this is a good tool for them to use. They can practice over and over again. It's like having an Etch-a-Sketch with cooler colors. So this is the next evolution of Etch-a-Sketch. So I really like this gift, and I think it will surprise you if you can get a kid to use it, how much usage you can get out of it. And there you have it, folks. With that, this concludes this unboxing and assembly video. Together you witnessed me open up and display the usage of the Kokodi LCD Writing Tablet made by the Shenzhen Chenghe Technology Company. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to see more content and or support our channel, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never have to miss out on any of our content again. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below, and we will try to respond to you accordingly.